Bynta ka Jong Tamasa Kelvin Cinema Festival Sdang da Jingrakhe ka Iphuh Iphieng ka Penpao ya ka Jingwan Pai da Jingjob Shaka Perthai Cinema Hadin ka Jingwan Linshop Jong ka Klam. Menteri Jong Tanat Information but Public Relations I Dr. Amprin Lingdo ila longkum I Kongsan ha kaba layasenran langru ya I da Menteri Tanat Revenue but Disaster Management uba Kirmen Shilla kum usembut Kongsan. Da kaba kedup halade ya kapang Women and Environment kani Tamasa da Jing Sarong Kalabu da Dong Mishar Kentai kani Tamasa kabalais ngi lenter kan sakutno ha ka khatwai terik unai wing.
This traditional relationship with our immediate nature is often jeopardized with the pressures of modernization and modern day living. Thank you so much, the Kelvin Cinema, for the commendable effort that you have put in to allow for the screening of so many films. I've seen the list of films here and must appreciate all the people behind the success of the very fact that these films have been able to see their logical conclusions